Here's how to catch tiger trout in Stardew Valley, required for the Riverfish bundle at the community center. The conditions are straightforward. It must be fall or winter. The time must be between 6 a.m. and 7 p.m., and you must fish in the river. Weather does not matter for tiger trout, which makes it easier to plan around than rain-dependent fish. Any fishing rod except the training rod will work. No specific bait is required, though using quality bait or a spinner tackle improves your overall catch rate and makes the minigame slightly easier. Tiger trout is a difficult fish to reel in because it moves erratically during the minigame. Keep your green bar steady and anticipate sharp movements. Leveling your fishing skill before attempting this helps significantly, since higher levels give you a bigger green bar that is easier to control. It may take several attempts even with the right conditions, since tiger trout is not the most common catch in the river. Keep casting and you will get it. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.